Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to talk about the LG Dishwasher LE error code. We'll cover what this code means, what causes it to appear, and steps to take to fix it. But first, what does the LE error code mean? LG Dishwasher LE error code is a motor error that indicates that there may be a problem with your dishwasher's motor, or the wiring harness between the control board and the motor. The following are some of the common causes of the LG Dishwasher LE error. Loose or faulty wiring harness. Loose or faulty wiring can lead to the LE error code in an LG dishwasher. It interrupts the communication signals between the control board and the circulation pump motor, thus leading to the LE error code. Excessive suds. When there are excessive suds in your LG dishwasher, the functioning of its circulation pump is affected, thus triggering the LE error code. Blocked drain impeller. The LE error code can also appear if there is a blockage in the drain impeller of your dishwasher. Items such as food particles, broken glass, or utensils can obstruct the movement of the impeller. Broken glass or utensils can obstruct the movement of the drain impeller, thus hindering water circulation. This water flow disruption can lead to the LE error code. Now, let us look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the LG Dishwasher LE error. Inspect the wiring harness. Doing this allows you to examine the degree of the malfunction in the wiring. If it is damaged, replace it. To examine the wiring harness, follow this step-by-step guide. Turn your dishwasher off. Remove the dishwasher screws on its side. Remove the cover. Pull off any glued installation. Examine the wires. Return the cover. Reinstall the screws on the side of the dishwasher. Use only dishwasher detergent and the correct quantity. This will help avoid the formation of excessive suds, which interferes with the motor's performance, thus preventing the triggering of the LE error code. The recommended amount for a full load of dishes is about 1 or 2 tablespoons of dishwasher detergent. Inspect the drain impeller. This allows you to examine if any items have slipped through the food chopper. If any items are blocking the drain impeller, you can remove them to ensure the impeller spins freely. If the above solutions fail, consult a professional technician for further assistance. Thank you for watching.